Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing half of my stash and the other half is in that box. But I'm gonna do half of my stash today. Alright, hope you enjoy. Please like. Alright. We'll first start with I got 6 packs of these Phantom Brand Neon Bottle Rockets. Those are the tails if you want to look at it. We got about 20 ground blooms. 25 ground blooms. Crackling by Shogun Fireworks. This is a thing I made out of the dynamite fireworks. We throw them on the ground and they make a loud pop. I probably will just put that over there for now. We have 2 500 rollers of Red Apple flash crackers. We do have 200 and 400 and something of these bottle rockets. Look, we have another pack, and then there's another pack. We got some M1000s, 36 piece. You can tell. I'm not gonna get them out right now. I'm trying to speed fast because I don't want to take too long. Give you guys the time. We got Salute crackers, and then we got some more aqua bombs. I was from Oregon, by the way. We got 5 packs of 6 of these Run Boy runners. Alright, that's about it for this section. Oh, I almost got these ladybugs under here. And, alright. So, next we have 24 shells. It will say 48 breaks down there. 42 breaks. 24 shells. Yeah, we'll get out this to show you guys. Alright. So, this is one sleeve. As you can tell, this is another one. And then there's just some regular orange cans down there. These are double break shells and triple break shells. I'm actually pretty shocked because this looks like a pretty long tube to be carrying them. Look at how big that is. It's huge. Alright, let me get one of the 4-inch shells out. Alright guys, I can't get the tube out, it's kind of hard. Anyway, these are the shells. This looks like it's got a lot of peony in it. Peony. Oh, these are all peony, which is cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. These are indeed 4-inch. God, they look like 4-inch. I cannot really tell if they're 4-inch or 3-inch. We will have a comparison with Quest shells that are 4-inch too. So don't worry about that, guys. And now we gotta get these ones back in there. Alright, so we have those. Pretty nice shells. I'll definitely be testing those out and then I'll come up with a video later. Peace out, guys.